Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad tax form issues in 2026. Yeah? If your tax form is rejected, incomplete, or blocking your payouts, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it step by step because, honestly, tax issues can delay your earnings and cause unnecessary stress if not handled correctly. So first, check your personal details. Make sure your full name, address, and country exactly match your official documents because even small mismatches can cause your tax form to be rejected. Next, choose the correct tax form. Yeah. Depending on your country, you may need to fill out forms like W-9 or W-8 BEN, so selecting the wrong form can lead to errors or delays in verification. After that, enter your tax identification number correctly, whether it's a TIN, EIN, or national ID. Make sure it's accurate and formatted properly, because incorrect numbers are a common reason for rejection. Also, avoid leaving required fields blank. Yeah. Missing information can instantly cause submission failure, so double-check every section before submitting your form. And yeah, review any rejection messages. So Gumroad usually provides a reason if your form is rejected, and following those instructions carefully can help you fix and resubmit it correctly. Finally, contact Gumroad support if the issue continues. Most of the time, following these steps resolves tax form issues and ensures your payouts are processed without delays. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.